Iakhun Jong Shnong Balano Karta Batip Kum Meghalaya State Senior Citizen Forum Henekas ngi balang kele kendo iu menteri katanat social welfare ba polling do banterwalang ya kakti katiang kakti kamon ban Iakhun yau Drok. Habakren bigla pathai Khubor General Secretary ka kanhon uba kraw bok lang basayomot ulay thu bakum ka forum kila pensngaw lang ru hau menteri ya ki issue ki bayade baga jingdon kam Jong Shnong Balano Karta.
Minister in charge of social welfare, and we have submitted a letter of representation to him in connection with one of the senior citizens. We are here standing here as the Meghalaya State Senior Citizen. So the problem is senior citizen at this juncture, because most of the people we are neglected of the senior citizen. So what according to the what we see about the schemes, what they have given is from the government of India. We have a lot of schemes about the senior citizen. But here we don't know about most of the people here in the state. They don't know about the schemes or the benefits of the senior citizen. So as a forum of the senior, we are concerned for that. So here we are coming here to give a representation to him. The point number one is about the Drok. The most important here is the Drok, because most of the young people now is fall under the idea of this Drok. So, and the second point that we have discussed with him is that about rehab center, because so far as we know that the rehab center is only the private, so they have charged a very high value of pay for the treatment. So we request him that to make some government, so with free provisions for the with free treatment for this drug addicts. So that is what we have, and especially that we have told him also about the benefit of the senior citizen, so that it should be highlighted in the papers or in newspaper or any information of the government, to highlight so that the people of the state will understand the benefit of the senior citizen. So that is what we have discussed with him at this meeting.
Minister.
At the same time, we are asked for that.
Since we don't have, as a senior citizen, we don't have an office. A permanent office. So we are holding office in the residence of the president. So we have requested also to allot him some shelter for us, so that we can make an office so that it's easy to function for the
Citizens Forum.
For the sake of the forum.
Also,